Let me save you years of wasted time. If you're sick of watching the same recycled advice on YouTube, hoping this one will finally work, stop. This is the method that works. I built a faceless YouTube empire that's made me over $10,000 per month, and I did it without ever showing my face, using my voice, or touching a single edit. And now I'm handing you the blueprint. So hit that subscribe button and stay with me, because this might be the only video you need. Before I built this business, I was just like you, watching tutorials, taking notes, trying to connect the dots. Everyone sounded the same. I promised myself, if I ever cracked the code, I'd come back and reveal it all. So here I am. With just 3 faceless channels, I've generated over hundreds of millions of views and over $100,000 in revenue. And I didn't record anything. I did most of the heavy lifting. Here's a 40-second crash course in YouTube automation. Start by finding a viral video in your niche. Go to the description, click Show Transcript, and copy the whole script. Paste that into ChatGPT and prompt it to rewrite the script in your own style or with a twist. Then head over to 11 Labs, paste the script, generate an AI voice. In less than a minute, you've got a viral title, viral script, and voiceover. Now for the editing. You have 2 options. Hire a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork, $20 to $25 per video. Or do it yourself. It's simple, especially for faceless videos. And yes, using stock footage is legal. Stay under 7 seconds per clip and you're good. YouTube's fair use policy has your back. If you don't start building now, you'll watch from the sidelines as others print money with faceless brands. So here's your blueprint. Pick a niche, use ChatGPT for scripts, generate AI voice edit, or outsource post consistently. This isn't about talent. It's about systems and discipline. YouTube rewards consistency like a job. Show up daily and the algorithm will pay you. So what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe, follow this blueprint, and let's build your first faceless channel today.